Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to protect a document in Microsoft Word. Protecting your document helps prevent unauthorized editing, copying, or formatting changes, and it can also secure your file with a password. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Microsoft Word on your computer and open the document you want to protect. Once your document is open, click on the File tab located in the top left corner of the screen. In the File menu, select Info from the left sidebar. On the Info page, look for the Protect Document button and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with different protection options. If you want to protect the document with a password, select Encrypt with Password. A small window will appear asking you to enter a password. Type your password carefully, then click OK. Word will ask you to confirm the password by typing it again. Re-enter the password, then click OK. Your document is now protected with a password. Anyone opening the document will need the password to access it. You can also use other protection options from the Protect Document menu. For example, you can choose Restrict Editing if you want people to view the document but prevent them from making changes. After selecting Restrict Editing, a panel will appear on the right side of the document. Check the editing restrictions you want, then click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. You may also be asked to create a password for the editing restrictions. After setting the protection options, save your document by clicking File, then Save. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you learn how to protect a document in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.